In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Hostinger Access Manager to give someone access to manage your account. This process is quick and straightforward, taking just a few minutes to complete. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to Hostinger's website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in hpanel.hostinger.com. Once the page loads, you'll see a login option if you aren't already signed in. Enter your credentials to access your Hostinger dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, take a look at the upper right corner. You'll find an option labeled Account. Go ahead and click on that. This will expand a drop-down menu with several options related to your account settings. It's in this menu where you will manage access for others. After clicking on Account, scroll down and select Account Sharing. This is the section where you can manage user permissions and grants. You'll want to click on Account Sharing to proceed. Here you will see an option that says Grant Access. Click on that to begin setting up permissions for someone else to manage your account. It's important to note that this feature gives controlled access by allowing you to specify what services the other user can manage, ensuring your account's security. Next, you'll be asked to enter the email address of the person you wish to give access to. Make sure you have the correct email, as this is essential for them to receive the invitation and the necessary permissions. Once you've typed in their email address, you'll see an option to define their level of access. There are various access levels, but for this demonstration, we'll stick with the admin level. This choice allows the person to have substantial control without full access to sensitive areas. Following this, you'll need to determine what services they can manage. Typically, this includes domains, hosting, and other features depending on your account configuration. Choose the specific services you want the user to handle. This step is important for maintaining security and control over your account. When you've made these selections, you're almost done. The last step is to click on Grant Access. This finalizes the process, sending an invitation to the email you specified earlier. Make sure to inform the recipient to check their email, as they'll need to accept the invitation to gain access. And there you have it! You've successfully set up access for someone else to manage your Hostinger account. This feature is especially useful for businesses or individuals who need collaborative management of their online services. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.